Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button and ring that bell while you're at it so you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload. Can you believe that September is already over? I do not even know where August went, let alone September. But here we are at the end of the month and I wanted to start doing a monthly wrap up of all of the things that I have been loving throughout the month of September. So you will be seeing more videos like this from me towards the end of every month, sharing with you guys my favorites that I have been loving on all month long. Now, all of the products I'm going to show you, and I'm going to limit all of these videos to just 5 products, maybe 1 or 2 honorable mentions. But I'm going to try and just narrow it down to 5 products that I have really loved throughout the month. All of the products I'm going to be using, I didn't necessarily purchase them within the month, but they've just been products that I've been reaching for this past month. So let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited to share with you guys what I have been crushing on all month long, and hopefully this gives you guys some ideas on what might work for you, or maybe we're loving on the same things. Now, let's get started. So the first product that I have for you guys is a skincare item, and this is by Tatcha. This is the Silken Pore Perfecting Sunscreen with SPF 35. This is a mineral sunscreen, and it is said to leave a matte finish while blurring pores, and it does not leave a white cast. Now, I have been using this product for about 2 months now, and I picked mine up from QVC. This is available at Sephora, but on its own, it retails for $65. I was able to pick it up in a 3-piece skincare set from QVC, and it did come with the Violet C Radiance Mask and the Brightening Serum. And I want to say for that kit, it was around $100, maybe a little over $100, but it was well worth the price tags because all of those other products on their own are at least $50, if not more. So I actually had to go on the wait list to pick up the kit, and I did it, of course, and that was during the summer, and I waited about a month or 45 days before this came back in stock, and I was so excited when I got that shipping confirmation email. And this is actually a product I have been wanting to try for so long, but you know, $65, that is a lot to pay for a sunscreen, but don't think of it as just a sunscreen. This is a skincare item. It is a mineral sunscreen. It has lots of great ingredients that are going to work to protect your skin from the sun, to protect it from pollution, to just really enhance the overall appearance of your skin while you're wearing your makeup. This product has a lot of great claims, and I'm going to read you some of them from the Sephora website. In a consumer use survey after 4 weeks of use, 94% of participants agree their makeup wears better when applied over this product. 94% of participants agree their fine lines appear smoother. 91% agree that this SPF prevents midday shine. 91% agree that their skin appears clear. 91% agree that the texture of their skin is improved, and 88% agree that the size of their pores seem to be reduced. That is a lot of amazing claims for this product. It does have a 4.4-star review on Sephora's website. Now, this is something that I don't necessarily use every single day, but I'm using it at least 3 times a week. I do have other moisturizers that contain SPF in them, so I kind of just rotate, but I have been loving this now for the last couple months, and I am so glad that I was able to pick it up. This does contain 2 fluid ounces. I know it's a very pricey product, but if you are a fan of Tatcha, if you've been curious to try Tatcha, if you just want to do something that's going to be good for your skin and you have the extra money to spare, I definitely recommend this Tatcha mineral sunscreen. Trust me, you're going to love it. And again, it just works so well under makeup, but please give it time to set. If you can give it the full 15-20 minutes, that would be great, but for sure give it about 5 to 10 minutes to just really absorb into the skin, and then go ahead and go in with your regular makeup routine. The next product that I've been loving all month long are the Morphe by Jeffree Star eyeshadow brushes. This is the second set that came out about a month ago now. If you've been watching my videos lately, you know that I use these brushes in all of my recent tutorials, and I really love the way they apply the product. There's some really unique shapes in here. All of these brushes are so useful in achieving your eye look, and I did use them on the eye look that I have today. And I just love the variation in sizes and shapes, and there's really no wrong way to use these brushes. You're gonna get a flawless eye look no matter what. I did pick these up from the Ulta Beauty website, and they do retail for $42. You get 10 brushes plus the little travel bag. This is a really great value for this eye brush set. If you're looking to upgrade or to replace any of your shadow brushes, I would definitely consider picking this up. And again, it is available on the Ulta website, and I believe it's available on the Morphe website as well. I'm not too sure if it's in stock over there. I know it's in stock right now at Ulta, so definitely head on over there and check that out. The next product that I have been loving and have reached for so often this month is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Ania collaboration. And this is what this gorgeous palette looks like. And believe it or not, I have been using the brush that comes with it to create all of the eye looks that I've done. With the exception of today, I did use the Morphe Jeffree Star brushes, but this palette, guys, is so versatile. I just love all of the colors. This is a great year-round palette. The quality of the eyeshadows is amazing, and that's what I have on my eyes today. I know I'm doing another purple and pink eye look. Forgive me, I love purple and pink, but I just love how all of these shadows perform. I love the packaging of this. It is so pretty, and this is probably, I'm gonna go ahead and just say it, this is probably my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is their first collaboration, and they did choose Jackie Ania for this collaboration. I think it is an amazing eyeshadow palette, well worth the $45 price tag. And if you have not picked it up yet, go ahead and check it out. I picked mine up from Macy's, but it's available pretty much wherever Anastasia Beverly Hills is sold, and you won't be disappointed with this one. The next product I have to share with you is actually one that I got as a sample and just yesterday ordered the full size of it. The Damn Girl Mascara from Too Faced. I had no intentions of ever purchasing this mascara. While I am a fan of the Better Than Sex mascara, this, when it came out, the brush just looked too big, too bulky, and I thought, no, I'm not gonna mess with that. I have other mascaras that I like. But wow, this mascara, guys, is really good. I am wearing it right now. I love the volume that it gives my lashes, and the brush isn't really all that big, and it's not difficult to work with once you start applying it to your eyelashes. I thought the formula was great. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't flake on me throughout the day. I love the separation that it gives to my lashes. I like the way they look both top and bottom. And just yesterday, I ordered the full-size version of this. I keep this in my purse whenever I'm on the go, need a touch-up. I love this new Damn Girl mascara, and give it a shot. If you can get a sample of it, try the sample first. That's what I like to do with a lot of new products. If I can get a sample of them, then I do that first and see if I'm gonna like it. And I am really glad that I got a sample of it, and I ordered the other one yesterday, so can't wait for it to come in and start using the full size. I've literally used this almost every day this week and part of last week, so this sample is almost gone. The last product that I have to share with you all is a holiday gift set. I know it's barely September and we're already in the midst of holiday shopping, but this is something I couldn't resist. I couldn't pass it up because I am a huge fan of this brand, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Carnival Celebration Holiday Set, and I picked this up from Sephora. So in this gorgeous box, you do get 4 of their most popular products. The first and foremost is the Bum Bum Cream. This is what started the brand. This is what it looks like. This smells amazing, amazing. And I am somebody who doesn't like the scent of vanilla, This is fragrance with vanilla, pistachio, and salted caramel. Those are the 3 main fragrance notes for this Bum Bum cream and for actually all of the collection. Guys, when you smell it, it's like a beach vacation. It's instant vacation, you know, instant tropical getaway. And it just works so well at hydrating the skin. And it also helps to smooth and tighten your skin. So if you are looking to kind of tone up a little bit to improve the elasticity of your skin, then this is something that you're going to want to get and use. I don't use it for that purpose. I use it for the smell and I use it for how well it hydrates. And I cannot say enough great things about this. I'm so glad it came with the body mist. I spritz this on all the time throughout the day. I love this stuff. I'm going to go through it so quickly. I love the shower gel, and I haven't repurchased the bigger size or the regular size yet. I'm going to use up this one and then I'll repurchase the bigger size, but it has the same scent as the other products. It really just, it's so hydrating, so moisturizing. Your skin feels so soft after you use these products. I had not tried the hand cream before, so I am going to probably keep this in my purse since it is relatively small in size, and that way I can apply whenever I feel that my hands need that extra bit of hydration. Winter is coming up. My hands tend to get really dry, so I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I am so happy with this collection. You do get all 4 pieces for $59, and it is available on the Sephora website. It is a limited edition because it's one of the holiday kits. So if you are interested in that, I would definitely recommend picking this up. It's a great way to try the brand, and this is their most popular product, and this is what put them on the map. So highly, highly recommend Sol de Janeiro. So that is it, guys, for my September favorites. Hope you all were able to get some ideas, maybe some gift giving ideas for the holiday season coming up. Shoot me a comment, send me a like. If you have any questions over anything that I went over, I'll be happy to help you answer them. And I will leave you all here. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and use your Bum Bum cream. And I will see you all next time. Bye.